Painkiller is as effective as morphine and is probably growing in your backyard. It is not something new that we are constantly experiencing some kind of pain. The question is, what do you do to treat your pain? Big Pharma will tell that using their expensive and extremely dangerous products is the only way to get rid of the pain. However, don't let to get hooked on these harmful drugs, because they can only provide short-term effects, meaning that you may experience further complications later. Have you ever heard of wild lettuce? It is an incredible natural replacement for toxic painkillers and even anxiety pills. Wild lettuce, or also known as opium lettuce or bitter lettuce, is a tall leafy plant that has small yellow buds. It contains a white milk-like substance called lactucarium that has the ability to reduce pain and provide the same effects as morphine. This remedy is the perfect solution for those dealing with inflammation, surgical pain, fibromyalgia, and nerve injury. This super effective remedy will help you to treat coughs, anxiety, insomnia, and migraines. It possesses antitussive properties and can effectively relieve asthma. Therefore, forget about the pain pills, and instead try wild lettuce, and trust me, you will be amazed by the results. Watch the video below to find out more how to use this plant. Note, for those confused by the nickname above, this plant is completely safe and legal to use.